Words are like a fun game, so bright and happy. Mystic soul, your light brings love to everyone. You were a star in the high sky, but now you are here on the ground. Love grows wherever you go. Yes, love grows wherever you go. Oh, mystic soul, do not hide your pain. In this world of love, let it fall like rain. You shine like a star, then you go away. You leave us waiting at the end of the day. I do not need to know where you live. I do not need a map or a door. When you smile, I am finally home. Are you a flower that fell from the stars? Only your smile, only your smile, mystic soul. You are like the sound of a sweet bell. You are like all the colors of a rainbow. But you are very quiet, you do not speak. You are like a bird that stays very still. I hear you far away, like thunder in the clouds. Why so quiet? Why so still? Mystic soul. Oh, mystic soul, do not hide your pain. In this world of love, let it fall like rain. You are like a light that never reached the temple. You are like a sad song when the sun goes down. You are a tiny firefly shining in the dark. I am a mystic soul too, lost in the night, looking for the stars, crying for the stars, reaching for the stars. Mystic soul, it's you. Mystic soul, like a star when the sun comes up.